Welcome to What's Cooking. Today we will be making restaurant style chili sauce. The ingredients you will need is half a bunch of coriander, 1 teaspoon of mint sauce, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2 cloves of garlic, 5 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, half a glass to 1 glass of water, green chilies, 1 tomato and 1 onion. The amount of chilies you put in is according to how hot you want your chili sauce. I'm making medium heat chili sauce, so I'll be using 12 to 15 chilies. Put all the ingredients into the blender jug. Cut the chilies up before you put them into the blender, otherwise they won't blend fully. Add salt to taste. Pour in the water. Now blend all the ingredients together in the blender. Your chili sauce is ready. This is the same chili sauce ingredients I used to make my afterburners. The link will be in the description.